Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another awesome looking weapon from Fortnite, and this time it's gonna be the heavy shotgun. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so to begin this, we're gonna draw the 3 shells that's kind of attached to the gun. So this one's gonna be fairly easy. Just draw 3 cylinder. 3 rectangle. They are cylinders, but they look like rectangles from the side. Okay, let's just draw 3 like that, and then for the details, it's gonna be a strap here in the middle. Okay, and then there's gonna be the brass casing here. So let's just draw a few more lines. Okay, so it's very simple, and then from there we're gonna draw this right here. So we're gonna come across, okay, and then go up at a slight angle, and then from here come out a little bit, and then go up, and then we're gonna go all the way across, okay, and then we're gonna connect these straight down, and then this is where just draw a rectangle here. This is where the shell comes out. Okay, so this is just the beginning. Once we have this, then we can draw around it so we get the proportions correct. Okay, so from here, we're gonna take this line here and we're just gonna come down. Now we're gonna go backwards, okay? We're gonna come across, slight angle, and then we're gonna go straight up, and then another slight angle going this way. Okay, and then from here, let's finish this out. So like right about where the shell ends right here, we're just gonna go straight across, and we just end it right there first. Okay, and then we're gonna right here underneath, just draw 1 line, and we're just adding a little bit of detail here. Go across, and then there's gonna be 1 more line in here. I know it's a little bit messy, but that's kind of how it is. It's very mechanical. So now we got to draw the grip. So from here, where we ended here, just come down a slight angle, and then we're just gonna go down. This is gonna be the grip. Then we're gonna come across at a slight angle, and then now right here, we're gonna come down. And then we're just gonna do 1 curve, and we just connect this. Okay, so that's the grip. So now we gotta draw the trigger. So we're gonna come across, slight angle, and then for this one, we'll just give it some thickness. Okay, and then the trigger. Okay, so there's a lot of little details in here, but we can put that in later. So let's continue on with this gun. Let's see, since we're back here, let's finish up the stocks, because this part's gonna be a little bit easier. So here, just go up at an angle, and then on this one, we're just gonna go straight across, right around there. Move this, and then we're gonna come down at an angle, and then we're gonna come down at another angle. I know it's a little bit tricky. Okay, and then we'll just connect these. And then after that, it gets a little bit easier. We're just gonna come out, and then here, well, we can draw this one first. This is gonna be the same angle as this. So we just come straight down. Now we'll just connect that. And there's gonna be a little bit of detail here. So we can draw a little, I guess what you call a trapezoid, right? Okay, circle, and then draw another circle here, and now adding some little detail. Let's get back to the other parts of the gun so we can get all the major parts in first. Okay, so after this, right here, I want you to double this distance right around here. So from here to here, just double it over here, just roughly. Doesn't have to be exact, okay? And then once you double that, just kind of go up, and then we're gonna come straight across. Now we'll finish up the top part, which is coming straight across. And I guess in here, between the shells, we're gonna finish up that line first. Okay, so once we come across, now right here, let's see, we can come down right before the, well, let's just come all the way down here first. Okay, and then we'll close that off. And then now here, we're gonna come all the way across. Stop a little bit early so we can give this a bit of an angle. Okay, so now let's draw the barrel. So it's pretty short up here. So we'll just draw a little rectangle in there. Okay, and then the muzzle, we're gonna flare it out. And let's draw in some details now. Just a little bit. So that looks like a barrel. Okay, and then on the bottom, it's just gonna be another rectangle kind of flared out at this end. Okay, so now there's details. Let's move on to the sight. So right here, we're just gonna come up, and right around here, same line. And then now we're just gonna go all the way across. So all the way across. And you can always use a ruler if you want it like really straight. But I'm just eyeballing it. Okay, and then right underneath here, we're just gonna go across again. Okay, and then on the tip here, we're gonna come up a little bit, just draw kind of like a little square, but like a chisel corner here. And then for the sight, just be a rectangle. And let's go ahead and just put a circle there for the detail. And then now for the sight here in the middle, so right around here, we're just gonna come up. And then here we go come up. Now we go across, up, across, angle. Now just draw a little corner there. Okay, finish that off, and then now there's gonna be a big bolt here, so just draw a circle and then just draw 2 lines. And let's see, now we gotta draw the, there's a bunch of railing right here, so this is easy. Just pick any spot and just try to space it out as evenly as possible and just go all the way across. So we're just drawing a bunch of little squares all the way across, okay? So now let's see, that's pretty much the whole gun. So now the fun part is to put in the little details, right? So let's see, there's gonna be 4 of these, and since I'm using a Sharpie, I'm making it a little bit thicker here. Okay, so that's 4 of these. Let's see, there's some stuff going on here. Okay, so just draw 4 of them. And then on the right here, I'm gonna come down. It's gonna be 2. And then right here, we'll come straight down. And here, let's see, we'll come straight across. And then this is just the grip. Okay, there's gonna be 2. And there's gonna be 3 lines here. So 1, 2, and 3. Let's see, another, well, up here, there's a couple of screws. There's another one here. And I'm just looking at the reference and, you know, draw whatever little details I see. So this is really the fun part. And there's some texture in here, but I'm just gonna leave it blank because it gets a little messy. Okay, then back here, we can add in some, just give this line some thickness. Makes it more mechanical looking, so it's kind of cool. Okay, then maybe this line all the way across. And maybe a couple more screws in here that's kind of harder to see. And then maybe even the grip, we can even draw another line. Okay, and then let's see, looks like there's 3 little lines in here. And that's it for this heavy shotgun from Fortnite, and it's definitely a very powerful looking weapon. So hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.